Ever wondered how that crystal clear glass in your windows gets made? Or how optical lenses achieve such perfect clarity? The secret ingredient might surprise you. It's calcite powder, a finely ground mineral that's transforming glass and optical manufacturing. But raw calcite rock needs special processing before it can work its magic. Enter the calcite powder mill, the unsung hero behind the scenes. This sophisticated machinery takes rough calcite stones and turns them into the ultrafine powder that manufacturers depend on. The process starts with crushing large calcite rocks into smaller pieces. Then comes the real magic, grinding them down to microscopic particles. We're talking powder so fine it feels like silk. Why does particle size matter so much? Because in glass manufacturing, even tiny imperfections can ruin entire batches. Uniform calcite powder ensures consistent quality and perfect transparency. In optical manufacturing, the stakes are even higher. Lenses for cameras, microscopes, and eyewear demand absolute precision. Calcite powder provides the pure, consistent base material needed. Modern calcite mills use advanced technology to control every aspect of the grinding process. Temperature, humidity, and grinding speed are all carefully monitored to maintain quality. The result? Powder with exactly the right chemical composition and particle distribution. This level of consistency is what separates amateur work from professional-grade manufacturing. For glassmakers, calcite powder acts as a flux, lowering melting temperatures and improving workability. It makes the manufacturing process more efficient and cost-effective. In optical applications, calcite's unique properties help reduce internal stresses in lenses. This means clearer vision, sharper images, and more durable products for consumers. The environmental benefits are significant too. Modern mills are designed to minimize energy consumption and reduce waste. Sustainable manufacturing is becoming the industry standard. Manufacturers worldwide are recognizing the value of high-quality calcite powder. From smartphone screens to laboratory equipment, this humble material is everywhere in modern technology. Next time you look through a window or use a camera, remember the journey that calcite took. From quarry to mill to finished product, it's a fascinating process that touches our daily lives. The future looks bright for calcite powder technology. New milling techniques are making the powder even finer and more consistent. This opens doors to innovations we haven't even imagined yet. Whether you're in manufacturing or simply curious about how things work, understanding this process gives you new appreciation for the materials that shape our world.